Okay, so in this example, okay, still level 4, but this time now we have expand 2c plus 1 and bracket c minus 5, c minus 4, c minus 3. So and they're separated by plus there. So this is considered as one term, and this over here is considered as another term. So what you will need to do is you need to draw two multiplication frame. One for 2c plus 1 and c minus 5, and one for c minus 4 and c minus 3. Okay, so let's do the 2c plus 1 first. So 2c plus 1, so first bracket, first row. Second bracket, first column, so c minus 5. Don't forget the multiplication sign. So 2c times c is simply 2c square. C multiplied by 1 is c. 2c multiplied by negative 5 is negative 10c. And 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. So that's for the first bracket. Okay, so what we will have, we will combine them later on. Okay, so if we write back our whole equation, we will have, sorry, let me erase this first. Okay, we will have 2c plus 1, c minus 5, okay, plus c minus 4, c minus 3. Now because this is very long, I'm just going to write this down in the next line. So equals to, so always put bracket when you expand it already, even though you have expanded, okay, there is still separated by a plus sign, so just put a bracket here. Then fill up from top to what, from left to right, top to bottom. So 2c square plus c minus 10c minus 5, and then plus, so we'll do the same thing for the green color equation or green color expression. So fill up first bracket, first row, second bracket, first column. So c times c is c square, c times negative 4 is negative 4c, c times negative 3 is negative 3c, and negative 3 times negative 4 becomes positive 12. Okay, so again put a bracket, c square from left to right, top to bottom. So c square minus 4c minus 3c plus 12. Okay, you can choose to simplify first. Okay, or you can open the bracket first, it's up to you. Okay, but what I will do is I will simplify first. So equals to, yeah, I'm just going to write down in the same colors, 2c square minus 9c minus 5 plus c square minus 7c plus 12. And then we know for a fact that because there's nothing in front, I can just remove the bracket, equals to 2c square minus 9c minus 5. Over here, positive and positive become positive. Positive and negative become negative. Positive and positive become positive. And then, of course, you still need to simplify further. Okay, give me a moment. So, group all the like terms together. Okay, so equals to, let me create some space here. Okay, oops. Okay, just need more space. Sorry. Okay, so group all the items together. So you have equals to 2c square and c square grouped together. So 2c square plus c square. Then minus 9c. So minus 9c. Any more c? There is one more c here. So minus 7c. Then the number minus 5. Any more number here? There is plus 12. So group all the items together and then simplify, equals to 3c square minus 16c plus 7. Okay, and that's my final answer. Okay, so that's for question 9, and then later on you will do all the question 10s. So question 10 itself, just remember, over here you don't have to expand, but there's a negative sign here. So don't forget this step here. This step here is very important, even though you have expanded, but because it's only a part of the whole expression, always put the brackets there still. Okay, this will matter especially in this part over here because there's a negative sign outside. Okay, very important here. Okay, so with that, okay, do try all the even questions and I will collect your work on Monday when you all come back to school. Have a good day ahead.